Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY, and today we're going to look at the Champion Nitrile Heavy Duty Gloves. So guys, if you don't like latex gloves, you're going to love these because they're 100% latex free. This one is in the XX. I have really large hands. It's hard for me to find some that actually work. Now, I haven't opened this yet. We're going to break it open and I'm going to try a pair on and make sure they fit. But what I use these for is I will use them when I'm working in plumbing. I'll use them when I'm painting, pretty much anything that's chemical. I'll even use these if I'm working with concrete or mortar to keep that alkaline and acid and all off of my hands. So we're going to pop this thing open. These are going to be the bright orange kind. That's the ones I generally like the best, because these, not only are they orange, they're going to have little ridges all over them, and those ridges help you grip and hold on. And by the way, this is going to be 100 gloves, so you have basically 50 pair. And remember, you do not always have to just pull these off and throw them away. You can, if you don't rip them and you get them off gently, you can go ahead and let them dry out and use them a second, third, and even fourth time. I do that quite often, but so you're going to just basically pull them on. They're very strong. They're 8 mil thick, so you don't have to worry about them ripping. See how that pulls? And I have tons of room, tons of flexibility, and with the 8 mil thickness, it's not going to rip real easy. Even if I'm doing things like caulking, like I'm fixing to do here, and I'm going to run a bead of caulk. Actually, I wouldn't do it here. If I was going to run the bead of caulk here, use my finger and run down, I'm not going to rip these right away. They're going to last a while. So if you're looking for a really good, protective, disposable glove, these nitrate gloves are awesome, made by Champion. Do yourself a favor and pick yourself up a set today. I don't think you'll regret it. We'll see you guys on the next review.